Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma from US Academia Institute, Gorakhpur. This is my sixth lecture for class 9th. In this video we will discuss connective tissue. This is the part of animal tissue. As we have already discussed, there are four types of animal tissues, that is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and neural tissue. As we have already discussed about epithelial tissue, in this video we will discuss about connective tissue. Let us first see here the remaining part of epithelial tissue, that is compound epithelium, that is stratified epithelium or compound epithelium. This type of epithelium tissue is multi-layered. The cells of lowermost layer only rest upon the basement membrane. It forms the epidermis of skin. Now let us discuss about connective tissue, that is second one of four type of animal tissue. Connective tissue, as the name indicates, this tissue connects various tissues together in any organ. It is characterized by first one, the few number of cells, large intercellular spaces. Third one, ground substance called matrix fills the intercellular spaces. Fourth one, white and yellow fibers present in the matrix. Depending upon the structure and functions performed by the connective tissue, it is further classified into three types. What are they? First one, connective tissue proper. Second one, skeletal tissue. And third one, vascular tissue. Now let us see connective tissue proper. It is most abundant type of connective tissue. It holds various tissue together in any organ. It is further divided into following types. What are they? First one, areolar tissue. This is the basic and most abundant type of connective tissue in the matrix. See the figure, areolar tissue. Histiocyte, matrix, mast cell, fibroblast, bundle of white fibers and yellow fibers. Matrix of this tissue are scattered. Three type of cells, that is amoeboid cell, which are phagocytic in nature. Fibrocytes secrete fibers and mast cells that secrete the matrix. The term phagocytic means they ingest foreign materials or dead remains in solid form. The fibers and mast cells that secrete the matrix. The two types of fibers are present in the matrix. These are inelastic white fibers and elastic yellow fibers. Location: it is found below the skin, in the kidney, testes, between and around the muscles. Functions of areolar tissue: it helps to hold various tissue together in any organ. It helps in the repair of body tissues after any injury. Histiocytes, amoeboid cells of this tissue, eats upon the foreign particles and protect against diseases. That is phagocytic. Mast cells in this tissue are concerned with allergy. It binds skin with underlying tissues. Next one, white fibrous connective tissue. The matrix of this tissue contains abundant white fibers forming layer or bundles, making it inelastic, means they are instretchable. They cannot be flexible or stretchable. See the figure. Bundle of white fibers, fibrocytes, white fibrous connective tissue. Location: sheets of tissue are found covering the bones, cartilage, kidney, etc. Bundles of this tissue called tendons attach muscle to bones, means tendons are meant for connecting muscle to bone. Functions of white fibrous tissue: it forms protective covering around the kidney, liver, bones, cartilage, etc. Tendons join muscle with bone. Third one, yellow fibrous connective tissue. This tissue is very elastic, means they are stretchable or flexible due to presence of network of very elastic yellow fibers in its matrix. See the figure. Thick yellow fibers, matrix, fibroblast, bundle of white fibers, yellow fibrous connective tissue. Location: sheets of this tissue are found covering the blood vessels. Bundle of this tissue are called ligaments, and they attach bone to other joints, bone to bone, means they connect one bone to another bone, means ligaments are meant to connect bone to bone connection. Functions of yellow fibrous tissue: it forms protective and elastic covering around blood vessels. Ligaments hold bone together at joints. Next one, adipose tissue. It is modified areolar tissue in which the cells become very large and oval because of storage of fat globules. These cells are called adipocytes, means adipose tissue are meant for storage of lipid and fats. Location: it is found in the subcutaneous layer below the skin, around the heart, brain, and below the eyeballs. See the figure of adipose tissue. Nucleus, cytoplasm, matrix, fine white fibers, fat globules, blood vessels, yellow fibers, and adipose tissue. Function of adipose tissue. It acts as insulator and prevents loss of heat from the body. It helps in the storage of food in the form of fats. It provides body contour shape. It forms cushion-like shock-absorbing structures below the vital organs such as heart, kidney, eyeballs, etc. Fifth one, reticular tissue. The cells in this tissue are star-shaped and forms a network-like structure. Location, it is found in the spleen, lymph nodes, and tonsils. Function, it forms lymphoid tissue in body. Reticular tissue in bone marrow helps in the formation of blood corpuscles. This is first type of three type of connective tissue. Next one is skeletal tissue. It is the hard connective tissue that forms supporting framework of body. It is of two types. First one, cartilage. This tissue is elastic, harder than connective tissue proper, but softer than bone. The matrix of cartilage is solid but elastic because of presence of protein called chondrine and some inorganic salts. In the solid matrix are present fluid-filled spaces called lacunae. Lacunae contains cartilage-forming cells called chondrocytes. It is further divided into three types, that is hyaline cartilage, the commonest and simplest cartilage. Next, fibrous cartilage and calcified cartilage. Location, hyaline cartilage is found covering the end of long bones, rings of trachea and bronchi. Fibrous cartilage is found in the external pinna and calcified cartilage is found in the suprascapula frog. Functions, it forms the supporting framework of nose, pinna, trachea. Next one, it provides flexibility and great tensile strength. See the figure of cartilage or hyaline cartilage. Pericardium, lacunae, chondrocyte cells. Next one, that is bone. It is hardest connective tissue. The matrix of bone is very hard because of presence of salts such as calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate 60 to 70%, etc., and a protein called osine. The long bones are usually hollow, containing a cavity called marrow cavity. It is full of bone marrow. In the solid matrix are present longitudinal canal called Haversian canals. The matrix is present in the form of layers called lamellae. In these lamellae are present ring shaped fluid filled space called lacunae. The lacunae contain bone forming cells called osteocytes. See the figure. Pericardium, Haversian canal, osteocyte cells, Haversian canals, a part of decalcified bone in TS and LS. Location: it forms the endoskeleton of adult vertebrates. Function of bone: it forms supporting framework. It protects internal delicate organs. It helps in locomotion. It provides surface for attachment of muscles. Next one, that is vascular tissue. As we know, connective tissue is of three types. Which one? Connective tissue proper, second one skeletal tissue, and third one vascular tissue. Now vascular tissue, it is fluid tissue that keeps on moving in the body. It helps in transportation of various materials such as nutritive substances or elements, gases, excretory products, hormones, enzymes, etc. It is different from connective tissue proper because of the presence of ground substance called plasma in place of matrix and absence of fibers in the plasma. It is of two types, blood and lymph. First one, blood. It is red colored, sticky, alkaline, slightly saltish in taste, heavier than water, fluid tissue. It forms 8 to 10% of body weight in the vertebrates. It is made up of two parts, that is plasma and B, floating or wandering cells called capsules. See the figure of blood smear. Neutrophils, eosinophils, plasma, basophils, monocytes, lymphocytes, blood platelets. Plasma. This struck colored clear fluid forms about 55% of the blood. Major constituent of plasma is water, that forms about 90% of it. The remaining 10% of plasma is made up of proteins, salts, hormones, and other materials meant for transportation, such as digested food, gases, excretory products, etc. Capsules. These are wandering and non-dividing cells that forms about 45% of blood. These are of three types. RBC, that is red blood corpuscles, are erythrocytes. Next one, that is WBC, that is white blood corpuscles, are leukocytes. Third one, blood platelets, are thrombocytes. RBC are erythrocytes. These are most abundant corpuscles and are about 5 million per millimeter of millimeter cube blood. They are biconcave. Denucleated means there is absence of nucleus, disc-like in mammals, whereas oval, biconvex and nucleated in fishes, amphibians, reptiles and birds. They contain red colored respiratory pigments called hemoglobin that helps in the transportation of oxygen and other gases. WBC are leukocytes. These are irregular amoeboid phagocytic cells with one to many lobed nucleus. Their number is about 6,000 to 8,000 per millimeter cube. These cells protect the body against diseases by engulfing bacteria and other foreign particles, that is phagocytosis, and are hence called soldiers of the body. They also provide resistance against disease by producing antibodies. There are 5 types: monocytes, lymphocytes, acidophils, basophils and neutrophils. Blood platelets are thrombocytes. These are spindle shaped cells numbering 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs per millimeter cube of blood. They help in the clotting of blood. Mammals contain non-nucleated blood platelets. Functions of blood. Blood is transporting tissue that help in the transportation of various materials in the body, such as transportation of digested food from food pipe to different parts of the body, transportation of oxygen to body cells, transportation of CO2 from body cells to lungs for elimination outside of the body, transportation of excretory products from body tissue to kidney for elimination, transportation of hormones. WBC engulf the foreign particles and protect against diseases. Platelets help in blood clotting and prevents loss of blood. Blood in the river of life. Blood is the river of life. Evaluating various functions of blood. In a nutshell, we can say that blood is the river of life, as all the necessities of life are distributed to various body parts and harmful substances are removed from them by the way of blood that keeps on flowing like a river in the body. These are few facts. You should know. Erythrocytes in mammals are denucleated except in camel and lemmas. All the cell organelles of erythrocytes get degenerated during maturity so as to accommodate more hemoglobin. In the blood of man are present 5 to 5.5 or 4 million RBC per millimeter cube of blood, whereas it is 4 to 4.5 million per millimeter cube in women's blood. Larger size RBC are found in amphibia. Smallest size RBC are found in musk deer. Increase in RBC count is called polycythemia. Decrease in RBC count is called erythropenia. In each cubic millimeter of blood of man are present 6 to 8,000 leukocytes and 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs platelets. Next, fluid connective tissue, that is lymph. It is colorless or light yellow colored fluid that bathes all the body organs and is filled in space between them. It is blood without the RBC and blood proteins. Function: it acts as a middleman for the exchange of various materials between blood and various body tissues. It keeps the body cells moist and maintain the volume of blood. This is about connective tissue. Next we will discuss, that is muscular tissue, in our next video. Thank you.